Sports facilities. The university has more than 40 sporting clubs, more than any other university in the country. The choices are dazzling, whether it's swimming, tennis, boxing or belly dancing, frisbee, football, surfing or skiing, there's gotta be something for you. The sports centers will welcome you, whether you just want to swim laps or you're aiming for gold. Choose from venues such as the University Sports and Aquatic Center, the Arena Sports Center or the HK Ward Gymnasium. You'll find tennis and squash courts, a professional indoor rock climbing facility, fitness equipment, a martial arts room, and an Olympic-sized heated swimming pool. By joining Sydney Uni Sport and Fitness, you will become part of Australia's oldest and richest sporting tradition, where many of Australia's leading sports personalities first developed their skills. Sydney Uni Sport and Fitness. It's a great place to get fit.